Hello everyone and welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's play a bingo game with 9 animal sounds. You need to get paper, crayons, ruler, black marker, and when we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. To make it easier for you, I'm posting the link in the description below. To get there, you have to scroll down, press Show More, and click on Printable Version. It will open up a worksheet that you can print. You can try to draw it for your kids as well. Divide the paper into 9 boxes and copy my animals. Draw a small colored circle next to each picture. Red dolphin, black bat, brown horse, purple sheep, orange bird, green duck, blue rooster, pink pig, and yellow cow. Listen to your first sound and find the picture that makes that sound. Sound number 1. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a duck. Green duck. Get your crayon and color the duck green. Hold your crayon with your 2 fingers and your other hand is holding the paper.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
Sound number 2. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a horse. Brown horse. Can you get brown and color the horse? Sound number 3. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a dolphin. Red dolphin. Can you make your dolphin red? Sound number 4. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a cow. Yellow cow. Let's color the cow yellow.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Sound number 5. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a bat. Black bat. Can you color the bat black? Sound number 6. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a rooster. Blue rooster. Can you color it blue? Sound number 7. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a sheep. Can you make the sheep purple and leave its fur white?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had
Sound number 8. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a pig. Pink pig. Can you color it pink?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Sound is number 9. Stop the video now if you need more time. It's a bird. Orange bird. Can you get orange crayon and color it? Great job, guys! You did it! Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a bunny. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!